Hello traders, and welcome to another video analysis. Today is Tuesday, the 7th of the August 2018, and we are going to take a look at the game to the PLN cryptocurrency pair. We are going to start our analysis on a daily chart. If we look back into the past, we can see that this level was an important level of support, and it was broken here, and the price reacted and tested this level at 3.34. Then the downtrend was continuing, and we have this 3 swings to the downside made with a low at the level of 0.73. Right now we are trying to bounce up, but so far the slide down is on a bigger volume than the slide up. So let's just take a closer look to our pair. What we can see here, except this very big doji like candle here, we got this slide, 1 to maybe three bars to the upside, I mean 3 candles to the upside, and then we got this harami candlestick pattern, and then we are continuing the slide on increased volume. So we are going to mark our support level, which is 0.73, 0.75, and right now this move to the upside is, as you can see, rather small compared to the previous swing down. If the bulls want to take the control back over the market, well, they have to break above the 1.61 level, but there is one more level that we have to keep in mind, which is obviously the point of 1-to-1, when the one game is worth of 1 Polish zloty. So this level will be the first level of psychological resistance for the bulls, and then if it is actually violated, then the price might have a chance to go to 1.61. So far this bounce is very small compared to the previous bounces here, so there is not much chances for the bulls to go higher. And as we can see on the higher time frame charts, the downtrend is still continuing. So those levels, those are the 2 of them that we have to keep in mind and keep looking at them, because they are very important right now. So thank you very much for this analysis. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.